We are looking for new talent. Our Gothenburg and Stockholm locations have historically received some of its best future managers from this location. I think one of JIBS's major advantages is, of course, the international part of the education, all the options of going abroad and do studies there. And it's also a very international environment. There are a lot of exchange students here whom they can learn heaps from.
We haven't been on NextTech before, but we are interested in the international and entrepreneurial profile that the school has. So that's why we're here today to find more about those people who can join us in our office in Stockholm. International profiles are important to us since we are expanding in different countries, and we are now in Germany and in Holland and need people with those kind of language knowledge about their culture, as well as the entrepreneurial profile, because we are still an entrepreneurial company, and that's the kind of profiles that we want to have.
We're here today to meet a lot of students, hopefully future employees at Handelsbanken, to try to describe how our organization works and what you can get as an employee within Handelsbanken. Our experience is that it's a real good education here at JIBS. We have employed a lot of the students. Usually they start working extra for us during the semesters and also summers. And after that, we have employed most of the students.
I'm a former student here at JIBS, graduated in 2003. JIBS has a focus areas on of being an international organization and also on entrepreneurship. And this spirit of entrepreneurship, I believe, makes people driven, motivated and involved in everything they partake. And I think that is a great strength in the students that come from this school.
Banks are global financial institutions. It's very, very interesting that in this concept the school is creating good opportunities for the students. They are multilingual, and of course the quality of studies is high. We see the school as a very good school with highly advanced education programs, and the system, which we call it father companies. It's very well established in the bank. We have a lot of those students in our programs, and through those programs we learn a lot of them, and they learn a lot of us, of course.